Okay, here's what I have decided to take on my trip. Starting in the left corner, left upper corner, I've got 2 pairs of capris, 1 pair of jeans, a good slash-proof security purse to take when I'm in a town, when I don't want to take my big backpack. I've got some coffee packets, because I can't get going in the morning without coffee, a lightweight umbrella, curling iron, travel curling iron, and then this is my pharmacy. It's got all of my meds in it, detergent, dry shampoo, etc., Band-Aids, my walking sandals, 5 shirts. I've already packed up my swimsuit, my swim cover-up, and my nightgown in 1 pouch, and all of my socks and underwear in another one. Then I've got my coffee making equipment and my makeup. I'll try and get it in the suitcase. Okay, it went in well enough. I tried to pack things in cubes and it didn't really work for this suitcase. So what I did was took them out. The pants and capris are here folded. I've rolled the shirts up. The only thing that's in packing cubes are my underwear and socks. And then my swimsuit, cover up, nightgown and everything, and all my shirts are just rolled up here, and it fits fine. Okay, then this side of the suitcase that has the soft clothes in it also has this little divider, mesh divider, and it's for flat stuff. This is where I put about 25 or 30 masks in here. And then you cinch it, you clip it and you cinch it as tight as you can. And you can see that actually if I had to stuff something in, once I pulled this tight, there's some room here if I needed to slip a little something in here that I missed. There's room for that. Okay, then this left side that zips closed is for stuff that won't compress. So this is the hard stuff. I'm sure that there's a couple things that I'm still going to have to put in here. My hairbrush. But I don't want to overpack. This fit easily in here. Okay, time to pack the backpack that I'll be carrying, and that will go in front of the seat in front of me. Let's see what I can fit into it, because I have a lot that I want to take. So here's what I would like to get in the backpack. In the front, of course, the most important thing, my passport. My wallet has protection so that people can't get my credit card information. This is money that I have brought back from Thailand and Europe that I'll be needing when I get there, those places. You can't check lithium batteries in the cargo hold. And just in case my small carry-on suitcase ever gets put in the cargo hold, I have to carry the batteries for my the wedge, the security wedge that I'm going to put under my door so that people can't open my door at night. I always have to carry those in the backpack. This is my little tripod for the camera that I am taking this video on, and here's the carry case for it. I'm going to have paperwork that I'll have to make room for in this backpack. Things like the Thailand pass and hotel reservations, airline reservations, etc. Some countries you have to have it in paper. They won't let you show it on the phone. You can't show it to them digitally. And I've just learned that it's best to have it both ways to make sure that you don't have any problems. These are my all my electronics, except for this. This is going to go where I can get to it easily. It's my little battery pack. This is a personal fan. Sometimes if the air gets really stale, the air is not moving around, I feel as if I'm going to faint. I've never actually fainted, but it's not a good feeling anyway, so I want the fan. This is a little personal light. This is my second piece of security. It's just for me to carry with me whenever I'm walking out in towns, that if you take the pin out, it makes a piercing noise. So I thought I better keep this with me always, never in something that could be checked. Just some little stuff to keep me fresh, and my glasses, some protein bars that I swear by, just in case, because airplane food is not always, the best, and I need my protein. A couple extra masks, some coffee packets in case I need it. This is my liquids bag. You can only take a quart size see-through bag of some kind. And toothpastes counts as a liquid. I'm taking one little bottle of sunscreen because it's unbelievably expensive in Thailand. The one thing that is expensive in Thailand. And a little bit of hairspray as long as I've got room for it. And my liquid makeup. And a couple bottles of Courage. Okay, and then this will be in this little orange Ziploc bag. This is what I'm taking, and this is what I'm going to keep with me when I put the rest of this under the seat in front of me. This will go into the pocket of the seat in front of me. Some hand sanitizer, and this is one liquid that you do not need to put in your liquids bag. Hand sanitizer is its own thing, and I could actually take a huge bottle if I wanted. I don't want to, but they don't limit the size of hand sanitizer. I just have to put it, though I will need to put it into the plastic bin to be scanned, just so they can see it. This is my neck pillow, and my eye shade is in there as well. This is absolutely mandatory for me to be able to sleep on an airplane because I have a titanium plate in my neck. So if my head drops to the side when I'm sleeping, it's very painful when I wake up. So this keeps my neck straight, and really it's very comfortable. It's not going to fit inside anything. I clip it to the outside of the backpack, and it swings freely. My daughter made me a journal for my trip, so this is going with me along with a pen. I wear reading glasses that will go in to here if I don't have them on, and sunglasses, which I sometimes do need in an airplane, and plus I just don't want to get them crushed. I think it's a good idea to take your own water bottle, and then as soon as I get through security, I'll fill it up. This is a microfiber towel, one pair of underwear, because just in case, on the off chance that my suitcase is put into the cargo hold and somehow goes astray and doesn't make it off the airplane at the same time I do, I want to be able to change. Okay, well this is definitely the right backpack for me to take because all of that fit in easily, and there's lots more space actually. which is good because I also am going to be packing my computer in a soft case that I have for it. There's plenty of room for that, and anything, the paperwork that I still need to print out, and I'll attach this to the outside. Alrighty then, I consider myself 95% packed for the trip, and the last 5% has to wait until at least the day before I leave. So it feels good. I'll talk to you later. Ciao.